So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your air filter in your Honda CRV. This one's a 2014. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and this one's pretty simple. We have these little clips, your air filter's right here, focus camera, alright, and you just pop them off. You got two more, one there, and then we'll just kind of pull up and pull our box kind of out and out of the way, and then we're gonna kind of lift the box kind of up and out of our way. There's our air filter, and you're just gonna lift up on them and kind of shimmy them out. You got to use two hands, but you can see it just shimmies right out past the battery. And then what you want to do is, this one looks pretty bad. The air filter test is you take it and you smack it, and we can see particles flying out. If particles fly out, it's a good indicator it's time to change your air filter. So again, you're just gonna lift that out, shimmy it back in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.